Hi and welcome to SAP MII online training. Today's session is brought to you by SAP IDS Training. You can contact us at info@sapidstraining.com or else call directly on the registered number, that is 8121020888. In today's session, you will come across what SAP MII is all about, what are the prerequisites to learn this module, what are the benefits, and what is the course curriculum we are going to cover. So let's get started with about SAP MII. SAP MII is called as Manufacturing Integration and Intelligence. In short, it is called as SAP MII. So the idea behind the manufacturing integration is to improve the information flow in the company by linking the top floor directly with the shop floor. With this, you can achieve more reliability, high performance, less mistakes, and more transparency. Basically, that was an idea behind that. So let's see what exactly SAP MMI is all about. In order to improve in the information flow, the material flow and the financial flow will also be improved, which in turn decreases the cost and increases the cost. Um, will the situation will match to the current scenario? Let's see how the SAP has suggested and a best solution. The sales and production planner does not have the full-time visibility on the shop floor activities while they are making the production plan. On the other hand, the operator does not have the critical ERP data available like stock information or rush orders to maintain planning. The challenge is to integrate the ERP system with an MES, PCS or SCADA system. The second factor of MMI is to provide dashboards and MES functionalities. So that was very overview on what SAP MMI is all about. For that question, you can get the answer upon enrolling for SAP MMI online training at SAP IDS Training. So moving to this slide, it will give you a brief overview on like what are the prerequisites to learn this module. A person with basic knowledge on the production can go with this, or the technical understanding is required, and it is added advantage if you have any programming knowledge. So this was about the prerequisites to learn SAP MMI. Moving on to next topic, let's see what are its importance. It synchronizes the shop floor with SAP ERP and SAP MES process out of the box. It is the first most importance. It boosts employees' productivity by delivering the actionable information to the shop floor. Moving to other importance, like it make use of industrial internet of things as well as machine to machine technology to create the business value. It helps to gain enterprise-wide insight from real-time event processing and the big data manufacturing analytics. It defines manufacturing metrics and KPIs, and it deploys the same standardized calculation all across the sites. It also optimizes energy utilization and gain insights into poorly performing assets. Then the other importance is like SAP MMI will also provide a powerful platform for delivering the manufacturing analytics to the management, supply chain, quality control and the plant floor operational personnel. Well, here are only few of them. You can come across more of its importance as a part of SAP MMI training. Let's see what are the benefits of using this SAP MII. It offers greater efficiency of mineral production per employees. It provides real-time process monitoring measurements and follow-up. It lowers the operational cost. It generates low variation in expected and actual project cost. It reduces the maintenance cost, which is the most benefit of SAP MII. Moving on to next slide, let's see what are the functionalities of SAP MII. It provides detailed production schedules. It provides maintenance order and the quality requirement for the shop floor systems. It spends the aggregated actual to the ERP systems. The SAP MMI contains both shorter planning data actual, and when needed is historical data also. Then moving on with other functionalities like SAP MMI functionality makes you manufacture operations run much more efficiently. Learn how you can run your manufacturing process much more efficiently in SAP MMI online training by enrolling yourself at SAP IDS trainings. Well, moving on to next slide, this gives you a brief overview like what are the topics we are going to be covered as a part of MMI online training. Well, to get started, like basic introduction, brush up kind of thing will be done for SAP MII. Then overview on SAP MII administration, how to use SAP MII Workbench, about data service configuration, its query templates, how to display these templates, then time engine, what are the MII applets, how they are used, etc. More about these MII applets, navigation and customization in home page you will be coming across. Then you will be moving with other topic called as web scripting by using JavaScript. Then you will generate MII reports, how it is generated, what is the importance of reports, etc. will be covered. Then moving on to other topic, it is like overview on business logic service, then XML functions, about document building. Then you will be moving with a topic called as connections to the SAP ECC system. Then moving with like you'll come across how to handle errors, and their methods and their techniques will be explained in detail. And then moving on with other topic called as manufacturing the data objects, the catalog services, and what all the KPIs and the alert frameworks is there in SAP MII. Well, now it's time to end this session. You can visit us for more information at www.sapidstraining.com, or else you can contact us on 8121020888, or else you can email us at sapidstraining.com. Well, thanks for watching this video. Looking forward to work with you. Thank you. Bye. Have a great day.